This year, Eco Schools is 20 years old. It's an environmental programme aimed at young people. It's now running in over 50 countries worldwide, and we're at the heart of it. We take the lead in discussing what can be done
to improve our school
and the wider community. We work to grow and develop aspects of the school we consider important.
We investigate and learn from the things we do. Let others know what we have been doing.
Because we know that we have our part to play.
For our school,
for our community,
for our country,
for the world, for everyone's future.
Be part of something big
and visit the Keep Wales Tidy website.